සීලවන්තං ගුණවන්තං පුඤ්ඤක්ඛිතං අනුත්තරං දුල්ලභේන මයා ලත්තං බුද්ධ පුත්තං නමාමහං. You usually recite this stanza when you worship the Mahasangha. What is the meaning of this stanza? This stanza says about the Mahasangha, Silavantam, Gunavantam. Mahasangha is in morality. They have developed their morality, Sila. They are virtuous. Punyakettam means you can perform merit by means of Mahasangha. That means when you offer dana to Mahasangha, you can get merit. So the Mahasangha is like a paddy field.